from XR Global. Congratulations again. Thank you to TCS
Non parlo tanto.
And now, friends, we have a very special recognition of the true champion and a dear friend of all of us at the Qatar Tennis Federation. Please welcome to the court Chairman of the High Organizing Committee, His Excellency Nasser bin Jan Al Khalifa. At Qatar Tennis Federation, ExxonMobil Executive Director for Rewind. The fans after his final professional event on tour. Tonight we recognize a man who remarkably spent over 2 decades competing and excelling at the top of the sport. Australian Open semifinals, 3-time Davis Cup champion, world number 7, and one of only a few who are 3 Grand Slam victories over names like Djokovic, Nadal, and Murray. Please welcome to the court, Fernando Carpaccio.
Ja most is just látják el.
Fernando, we're going to ask you to say a few words in just a moment, but first, we have some folks who would like to say a few words to you. Let's take a look.